Today I'm gonna make a potato salad with fresh chives. Hey everybody, welcome back to Dinner with Dave. And for today we've got an easy salad. Yes, today we've got a nice salad that you can prepare if you've got a barbecue, if you have someone to eat, to come over and eat. It's just easy, you can prepare it, put it into the fridge, and you'll be ready to go. So let's do it. So what do we need? For this salad we're gonna need some potatoes. We're gonna peel them, boil them and let them cool down. We're gonna need some ham, some chives, some pickled gherkin, some eggs, some creme fraiche, some mayonnaise, and that's gonna be it. So same as last week, I'm gonna give the potatoes a peel with my peeler. Now, potatoes done, get your water boiler, your water kettle, get it boiling. And in the meanwhile, we're gonna cut the potatoes in even parts. Try to get them as even as possible. Get them into a pan. Now when that's done, it's all quite even. Water is already added to the potatoes. Make sure everything nicely covered. Full whack on the fire. That's that. Then another pan for free range eggs. Into a pan, fill it with water, same thing. Get it to a boil, and when the eggs are done, we're going to cool them down. All the potatoes and the eggs are going. I got myself some nice fresh mint from the butcher. Unsalted, no herbs, nothing, no spices in there. Gonna put it in a bowl, because I want to make some hamburgers with it. So in the bowl, we're gonna add fresh grounded pepper, salt, I've got some mustard seed, about 2 tablespoons. Spicy paprika powder, tablespoon. One egg. Some fried onions, crispy fried onions. About a handful or more. We like it. And some breadcrumb. And I'm probably gonna need to add a little bit more, but because of the egg, it will be too sticky. So if it's too sticky, I will add a little bit more breadcrumb. And then I'm gonna give it a mix. it's not like I got my hands filled with meat. So this is a nice one. Gonna divide it by 2. And I've got myself 2 kids and I don't want the kids to eat as much meat as we do. So I'm gonna divide it by 2. And then I'm gonna take 1 big burger and 1 small burger. Give it a roll between your hands. Press it. That's 1 burger. Same for the other one. Get a nice bowl out of it. Give it a press. That's a nice children's burger. Same with the ones for the adults. We are gonna get a bigger one. Barbecue already warming up. Nice one. There we go. 2 children burgers, 2 adult burgers. When the burgers are done, we're gonna get some mayonnaise, couple of tablespoons. We're also gonna add some crème fraîche. I got myself 200 grams of crème fraîche and we're all gonna mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. Then we're gonna add some salt, some pepper of course, and we're finally gonna chop up the chives. The chives from my own garden. Always growing some because yeah, you need to have some chives. And when that's finally chopped up, we're gonna add it to the crème fraîche mayo mixture. Mix it all up. Then it's gonna be time for the next step. I got myself some bacon, but of course you can also get something else. It doesn't have to be pig, whatever you like. Finally chop it up in thin slices. Break it all loose a little bit, so it won't stick together, and after that we're gonna add it to the mixture. Mix it all up again. The pickled gherkin, clean them, and then you're gonna cut them really fine. Slice them, slice them, slice them. It's good for your techniques, for your knife skills. And when that's done, we're gonna add them to the mixture. Yeah, finally chop it. We're gonna add it in. And of course that also needs some stirring. Stir. Then the eggs. I got myself 4 boiled eggs and I've got myself this nice little device to finely slice them. That's really helping me out. So also that's gonna be added to the mix. Number 2, number 3, number 4, all added up. And we're gonna give it a quick little mix again for the final time. And the mise en place will be done. We are gonna eat it with some fresh cucumbers and tomatoes from the vine, and normal tomatoes washed up. So first a cucumber. Cucumber, tomato, remove remove the stem. Slices. Again, remove the stem. Now when that's done, time to get the potatoes with the rest of the salad. At the moment it already cooled down a little bit. It's a little bit hot. No problem, you can eat it like this. Give it a mix. Always give it a taste if you have enough salt and pepper in there. Time to put some burgers on the grill and let's plate up. So now it's time to plate up. I've got myself my cucumber, my tomatoes, a little bit of green to top it off, and of course my beautiful salad. So first of all, we're gonna grab ourselves a nice couple of spoons of salad. You can see the ham, the pickles. Ooh. Grab yourself some cucumbers. And dress it all up. Some normal tomatoes. Whoa. And some vine tomatoes. Nice pile. A little bit of green. Burgers already. Gonna grab myself a really nice thick one. And let's cut it open. Oh, juicy. There we go. So this is my potato salad with burgers. Look at this. So, time to taste. Gonna grab myself a little bit of salad. Still a little bit warm from the potatoes, but perfect. A piece of barbecue burger, seasoned myself. Nice juicy burgers. This is gonna be a feast. Now this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. If you have some ideas for recipes, let me know in the comments. And we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.